Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you're probably doing some research online about how to make money online using the internet, using technology, okay? So I'm gonna share with you a few different methods right now in this video, and you might want to take some notes, okay? Because this is really gonna help you to take your life and your business to the next step. So what I would say is if you're looking to generate extra income, then doing it online is one of the best ways to do it, okay? Why? Because, well, it's relatively inexpensive, all right? And basically you can market to millions and billions of people all around the world. You don't have to, spend tons of money setting up like a brick and mortar shop. You can create a lot of leverage points. You can use software. You can use technology, and basically you can use the internet, okay? So essentially you're creating lots and lots of leverage. But will it cost you money, especially if you want to set up a business? Yes, it's going to cost you some money, okay? So if you think that you can build a successful business online without spending a cent, then this is not the video for you, all right? In fact, online entrepreneurship is not for you at all right? But if you understand that you got to put some skin in the game, you got to put some money in the game, you got to invest, okay? Not only in your infrastructure, your platforms, but your mindset and your knowledge as well, then this is the right video. And I'm going to give you some suggestions, okay? First up, first way that you can make money, okay, is by providing services. Now, when I say providing services, I'm talking about websites like Fiverr, and websites like Upwork, okay? So this is basically where you're outsourcing your special skill sets to people all over the world that might pay you some money in exchange for work that you've done, okay? And places like Fiverr, the cool thing about Fiverr is basically there are outsourcers that basically do everything, okay? So if I go onto Fiverr right now, I'll just give you an example. If you've never heard, this is a really, really cool website, right? You literally can find things on anything. So you can get people to design logos for you, they can design banner ads, they can do Photoshop editing, they can do illustration for you, they can draw cartoons for you, right? They can make book and album covers, they can make flyers, it's crazy, infographics, anything. When it comes to digital marketing, people can help you with your SEO, your content, your video marketing, your email marketing, writing and translation. They can write resumes for you, they can translate things for you for video, anything. They can make lyrics, they can make podcasts, anything, right? And Fiverr is a great resource to learn how to do all this stuff, okay? But you can also become a seller, all right? So if you have some sort of skill set, this is one way that you can make money online. It's a very, very quick and easy way. Now, the problem with providing services, which is what I don't really like, is you're still trading time for money, okay? So even though you are, in truth, making money online, because Fiverr is an online website, right? And you can basically sell to anyone, anywhere in the world, you still have to put in your hours in order for you to make that money. So for example, if you're someone who is doing SEO work, people are going to pay you, but you still have to do the SEO work for them before you get paid. Does that make sense? So yes, it's online, but I still consider that as a job, okay? And Upwork is pretty much the same thing, okay? Upwork is basically an outsourced platform. Fiverr, most of the things cost $5. That's why it's called Fiverr. Now, it can cost a little bit more if you want to go a little bit deeper and you want to get better service from them. But essentially, everything starts from $5, okay? Upwork is when you're really hiring a freelancer from different countries in the world, India, China, the US, wherever, to do different things. Like, for example, you could develop a mobile app on Upwork if you really wanted to, okay? You can get someone to build an entire blog for you through Upwork, all right? And if you were someone who could do that, if you were a programmer or something like that, then you could do that as well using Upwork, okay? So this is the first way to make money online. I wouldn't really go this route, okay? But if you want to do that and you want to start outsourcing some of your services and your skills, then this is one of the ways that you can do it, okay? Another thing that you can do online is you can do affiliate marketing, right? And I think that this is probably the best thing to do, okay? So the cool thing about affiliate marketing is that you basically sell somebody else's product, okay, that you don't own yourself, all right? Now, the thing about affiliate marketing though is you need to learn how to become a very, very good marketer, okay? Now, the things that come with affiliate marketing and learning how to become a good marketer are things like this, okay? It's not just about marketing, okay? It's understanding things like positioning. it's understanding things like influence. How do you influence people to know, like, and trust you? Okay, it's about doing things like understanding how to do good presentations, good videos, good webinars, things like that. It's also about learning how to drive traffic. So traffic is marketing. Okay, understanding how to market. And then yeah, so and then posture as well, which is basically influence and positioning at the same time. Okay, so affiliate marketing has a lot to do with this stuff, but I'm just going to show you a couple of sites right now where you can actually do affiliate marketing. Okay, so very easy. All you need to do is you need to just go to Google, and you can just Google the top affiliate networks, right? And you'll get like a whole bunch here. And the first website here, it says top 10 affiliate networks for 2018. I'm just going to click on that. Let's see what pops up. Okay, and there's a whole bunch of stuff. Top 17 best affiliate networks for 2018. Terra Leads, ClickBank, Rakuten, Amazon, ShareASale, eBay, affiliate partners. No thank you. AvantGate, Flex Offers. I mean, there's so many here. Okay, now the big ones that you would probably recognize are ClickBank, maybe, CJ Affiliate, Amazon Associates, and eBay. Okay, these are all affiliate networks. All right, now it's really simple. Now if I clicked on ClickBank, and I've got a lot of videos on ClickBank, right? All you're basically doing is you're going to the affiliate network, you're signing in, you're getting a free account, you go to the affiliate marketplace. All right, you pick a niche market that you want to market in. So let's just say health and fitness, for example, right? Weight loss products. You basically choose a product like Lean Belly Breakthrough, for example. You grab the link. Okay, you create your link, and you basically take it and then you promote it. Now if I pop this up here and I promoted it, this is basically the sales page for this specific affiliate offer. Okay, and when somebody buys from this page, now there's going to be a video that's going to play here, right? Do this simple 2-minute ritual, lose 1 pound of belly fat. Okay, I'm not going to play it, right? But when somebody buys from this website and you make a sale, then you make a commission of the sale. That's how affiliate marketing works. Okay, now it's a very simple, it's actually one of the simplest ways to make money online, because there are a few things here that you have to remember. You don't have to make the product. Okay, you don't have to store any of the product in your garage or anything like that. All right, you don't have to get the store. You don't have to do a lot of things. All you have to do is get the link, promote it, and then when you make a sale, you basically get a commission. Now the problem is a lot of people online don't make any money from affiliate marketing because they don't understand this stuff right here that I've just highlighted. They don't understand positioning, they don't understand influence, they don't understand how to do good presentations, they don't understand how to drive a lot of traffic, they don't understand how to posture themselves. Okay, they don't know how to set up funnels. Okay, sales funnels basically, and a whole bunch of other things. Okay, so yes, it is one of the easier ones to do. Okay, and then this is what I would recommend that you do, because you can make a lot of money from this if you understand how to do it, right? But you must understand positioning, influence, power, traffic, marketing, and all of that stuff. It's not just about understanding traffic. This is what a lot of people think affiliate marketing is about, just traffic. But the reality is it's not, because if I was to drive 1,000 leads on YouTube straight to that offer just now, this Lean Belly Breakthrough, I might not generate a single sale. Okay, and that's what's happening to a lot of people right now, right? Now I've got other videos online that will teach you exactly how to get results from that. Okay, but I'll show you where to get that in a second. Okay, so let's go to number 3. So what's the third thing that you can actually make money with online? Well, you can do network marketing or MLM. Right? So there are a lot of different, top tier companies. Okay, and I'm just gonna put here top MLM companies in the world. Okay, so let's get the 50 best network marketing companies of 2018, and let's just have a look. I haven't even had a look at this. So number 50 is Herbalife. Let's see what number 1 is. This is interesting right now. Oh, that's interesting. Monat. I've never even heard of Monat. Okay, it's probably some sort of hair product. Number 2 is Sensi. Number 3 is doTERRA. Number 4 is Young Living. Number 5 is Junesi. Number 6 is Roden and Fields. Number 7 is Digital Altitude, which is 100% online. It's a great company, okay? Number 8 is Advocare. Lots of different MLM companies out there, okay? But here's the thing about MLM, all right? If you want to do it online, then you have to do everything that I just showed you with affiliate marketing. Same thing. You have to understand how to position yourself. You have to understand how to influence. Okay? You have to understand how to posture. You have to understand how to market online. You have to understand a lot about presentations as well. Okay? So yes, you can make a lot of money with network marketing. And again, network marketing is traditionally an offline business model. But if you want to learn how to do it online, you can do it very, very easily. All you do is you do all this stuff that I said right here. Okay? Sales funnels as well. You create your own sales funnels for it. All right? And then what you do is you market, you sell it through your computer, through the internet. Okay, so now what you've done is you've taken an offline business model and you've brought it onto the internet. All right, this is another way that a lot of people make a lot of money online. Another way that you can make money, okay, is you can create your own products. Okay, create your own products. Now this one is slightly more advanced, okay? This is when you create a product on, how to stop dogs from peeing on the carpet, okay? That's one product. Another product is maybe how to lose weight, how to lose 60 pounds in 30 days. That's a product, right? Another product is how to generate 100 leads on Facebook, right? These are all products. And what you would do is once you've created these products, you would either market it yourself or you would go to a platform like ClickBank, for example, and instead of being a marketer, you would actually become a vendor. Okay, and you would create this product and then you would upload it onto ClickBank and you would get other affiliates, other normal people like you and me to market those products for you. And then every time they make a sale, you make a sale as well. You make a cut. And that's how it works. That's how a lot of these products come out. So when you go to the affiliate marketplace, if I go to, for example, whatever it is, let's say self-help, right? There are a lot of self-help gurus that will create these products. This one right here, this one right here, this one right here. They create it, they upload it, they become a vendor because they have expertise in that particular area and they create their own products. Okay, so that's a little bit more advanced, right? So here's what I would say. This is the varying levels of difficulty. Okay, the easiest one is to just go on Fiverr or Upwork and provide some sort of service. That one you can do for free very, very easily. Okay, but yes, you'll still need to spend a little bit of money setting up your site and all that kind of stuff. Okay, affiliate marketing is the next one that's I think the barrier to entry is very low. You can get into it very easily. The tricky part though is learning how to get very, very good at it. Okay, that's the problem. Network marketing, same thing. Barrier to entry is very low, but to get very good at it is quite tricky as well. All right, if you don't know what you're doing. Number 4, create your own products is probably the most advanced, okay? So what I would do is I would get really good at doing these two first, and then once you've mastered affiliate marketing and network marketing, if you want to create your own products, you can use the results that you got from here and here to create your own products over here. Does that make sense, right? So here are some of the different strategies. Okay, so now you're thinking to yourself, well, Aaron, I don't know where to get started. Okay, where do I go? What can I do? Now here's a couple of things that you can do. Okay, you can either go to my YouTube channel. Okay, so just go to youtube.com/AaronChen1. Okay, and I'll give you the link again very, very easily. And on my YouTube channel, you'll find you can just go through it and you can just go through. So I've got videos here on strategies to make money online. Okay. I also have got a whole section on how to generate leads, and I even have a section on how to stay motivated, because staying motivated and staying in the game is so important. A lot of people don't realize that. Okay, so you can check out my YouTube channel. It's going to help you a lot if you want. Also, if you want to, you can just click on the link right below this video. Okay, it's going to give you access to my 4-day training video training series that's going to teach you exactly how to build a very, very powerful affiliate marketing business. Okay, so I'm going to talk about everything. I'm going to talk about positioning. I'm going to talk about mindset. I'm going to talk about your sales funnels. I'm going to talk about traffic. I'm going to talk about posturing. I'm going to talk about how to set everything up so that you are able to generate a lead. You're going to generate traffic, and then you're going to generate leads, and then you're going to be able to create that magnetism so that people know, like, and trust you, and then you're going to be able to generate sales from it. And I'm going to teach you how to do that, okay? And if you want to go really, really deep and you want to be a part of my team, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. If you want to do that, completely up to you, okay? So listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you got some value from this video today. I would really appreciate it if you did get if you got some value, if you could give me some thumbs up, that would be awesome, okay? And listen, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I highly recommend that you just click on the link right below this video and you can subscribe to this channel that you're seeing right now on the screen, okay? And I constantly come up with free videos like this on a regular basis, helping you to get further in your business and life and to get more results, especially by marketing online. Okay, my name is Aaron Chen. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I'll speak to you very soon. Take care.